You got lots in there, Autumn.
Take a picture of it.
I did. Yeah, I took a video.
Can I see?
Yeah, one sec. Let me just take a picture of the babies. There goes Clover. Clover, where are you?
She's right there.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Chloe. Is there anyone cuter than you?
No.
Is there anyone cuter than you?
Say no way.
Clover. Oops. Are you falling down?
Hi.
Hi, Ethan. Hi, Alexa. Whoa. Woo.
Can I?
Clover, is there anyone cuter than you? Is there anyone cuter than you? No way. Fall down. How about you, Leah? You want to see? Oh, look, there's Alexa. And Clover. Here she comes. Hi, baby girl. Hello.